Hi everyone, this is Bag of Don at StockMarketCaddy.com. First, thanks for tuning in. If you've seen our 2-minute introduction previously, feel free to advance to the 2-minute mark and commence your viewing of either the weekly video report for the investor class or, in addition to, the morning video report for the active trader class. Both videos utilize what we call our Swing Machine, a proprietary objective system that analyzes and provides us our trading information on the markets. We also provide the most active stocks that we will be looking at for the coming week. Here at StockMarketCaddy.com, we are about improving investment outcomes by empowering individuals to manage and trade one's personal portfolio for profit and enjoyment through education, innovation, and inspiration. Much like the movie in Bag of Ants, time to open your mind, loosen your grip a smidge, time to choose, play your game, now is the time. Feel free to follow us. We are not a financial advisor. We are not a financial broker. We are not making a recommendation to buy or sell anything. We are not interested in managing your money. We are interested in opening your horizons to show you how we go about managing and trading the markets each and every day. Our subscribers get, for just $29 a month, they receive a weekly video view of all the key markets every Sunday evening utilizing our Swing Machine. The active trader, in addition, receives a daily morning video view of all the key markets and the most active stocks that we will be looking at. Both the Sunday night video for the investor and the daily video is included at $29 a month. Let's get started. Good morning, everyone. This is Bag of Don, Stock Market Caddy. It is March 1st, 2016. We want to take a look at the daily view of the markets this morning using the Swing Machine. Looks like overnight they ran the stops on us. I'm going to take a little extra time this morning. Hope everyone doesn't mind. We got a few new subscribers, and then we also have some folks taking a peek as we try to open it up and show a little of what we do. To the Twitter folks. So I'm just going to take a moment, and before I even get into the futures market and explain what you're looking at, first is that this is a product called Radar from TradeStation, loaded with all of our proprietary indicators in here. The very first box in here is what we call the SMC Zinger strategy. And this is a strategy that we've used for years. We updated this back in January. We're constantly, tweaking and improving. This is a product, of tens of thousands of hours of real-time trading. The Zinger will tell us whether or not we should be, in this instance, long, short, or if we've a yellow box means we've gone into chop. If there's red lettering, it means it's coming from a short position into chop, or if there's green lettering, it's coming from a long position into chop. It generally will go from from long to chop before even getting into a short position. Also, we'll get a, let's see if we get any white boxes. Okay, so here, when you get a the very first day that there's an entry, whether it be short or long, we'll get a white box. So here on the Swiss franc, we're getting a long entry on a daily. Not recommending to go along the Swiss franc, just pointing out how the strategy works. The yardage refers to the number of days that, in this instance, the ES has been long. So we just refer to that as 7 days. And the NQ has been short, incredibly, for some 47 days. We'll come back and look at the individual markets. This is the second confirming indicator that we call the SMC, Stock Market Caddy GPS rangefinder. This is almost a strategy in and of itself, but it's very compatible. All of these are unique. They're very proprietary. they're just a beautiful thing. And when you put them together, what you're looking for is you're looking for symmetry between the two. So even though we're in chop, if this is short, this is, you'd be leaning on the short side. Now I'm explaining all of this because what we do is we'll advance the video, and you can slow the video down. We won't comment on every market, but you can slow it down and pause it and interpret what it shows and plug it into your own systems. This second one is a beautiful thing too. This is the SMC wind direction and speed. What you want to see is a total. For instance, here's the Japanese yen. She's in chop. She had been long for 16 days, so she just got into a little chop. And this is intraday, even though it's a daily. This is happening real time, so this could change right before our eyes. It's long on the GPS, and then what you're looking for is the wind direction. Is it comes from +1, +2, all the way to +7. You want to see it all green if you're long. So that's a beautiful thing. And then it'll say that it's at your back. So, you would want to be long the Japanese yen. On the other side of the coin, when you look at the British pound here, you got it short. It's been short for 7 days. It's short here. And it's all red and it's in your face. Exactly what you want to see when you're shorting the market. Then frequently you'll see sometimes a mixed bag. It'll turn yellow if it becomes mixed. There'll be green arrows saying, well, the bias, even though it is mixed, the bias is still to the long side. Or there could be, here is the on the euro, she's in chop, coming from a long position, having been long for 19 days, but she's getting a short signal here, and the wind direction is starting to change. She's red arrows, and red here. So we would take a closer look, but it looks like the euro could be getting into a short position. That's how you want to work that, but